Hey, what's up, YouTube? So in the last video you guys seen of the Nitro fishing pole, the gears gave up on me, so it didn't work out too good. So I reinvented everything, and you guys are gonna see in this video how I did it. It took me a really long time, but finally got it. Check it out. Hey, what's up, YouTube? So today I'm gonna be changing out this little sprocket right here, because first test was a fail because of this plastic wheels. Plastic gears is no good. So you see what I did here? Got that on. Gotta weld that around. Don't mind the tar in my hand. I was doing roofing. Alright, so that's the old one. I'm gonna take that out. Tap this up a little bit. Weld it. And we got this sprocket. I gotta take that out and fix that up a little bit. Alright, everyone. So this is the regular one, and this is the homemade Sam's Garage one. So this piece right here is the little clutch. Goes on here. This expands when this hits enough power or speed. It opens up and it grabs this. Right. So I gotta put that bolt bearing on it, and then that basically grabs that and it spins it. So we're gonna weld this up and put it back on with the little ball bearing. I wanna weld it with the ball bearing off so I don't burn the ball bearing. And we'll put everything back together.
Go ahead.
Sprocket actually fits on here, but what I want to do is have a longer one, a metal one, stronger one. So what you do is you open it. By the way, my son tripped over it yesterday. He dropped it. You know, little accident, kind of cracked it up, but it's all right. Gorilla Glue worked just fine. I'll take this out. Now in here we have the two gears, two metal gears. So when this spins right here, that's how this works. See that? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out these 4 screws, open that up, and I'll show you. I'm gonna change out this piece right here, so we can have like some kind of axle to put this on. Bolt is on real good, and when this turns, it's gonna turn this gear, which will turn the other gear, and then turn the other, and turn the spool. All right, so after taking out these 4 screws right here, remember the idea is to change this when I have like some kind of axle to connect to this. Got this out. Got this out. That goes right there. Okay, so this has a, see that metal gear, which turns this, and that turns the spool. This is the piece that I want to change. So I'm probably gonna have to drill it out, put some kind of long metal screw. But I need to put this little gearing back in there. So I'm gonna have to cut that out, drill that gearing, and attach it to the other new screw. And then, because this is really what's holding the you see that? Those 2 little teeth? How is these 2 little teeth gonna pull up a big fish? You see that? That goes on there like that, right? That's not strong enough. So I'm gonna try to redesign that and make it everything stronger. Starting by changing this piece out to attach to here. So I gotta find a bolt that fits there perfectly, long enough, and that's what I'm gonna do. Maybe I can take the bolt, shave it down, give it that nice little, we'll see. See how it turns out.